Hey guys, in this review we will be taking a look at a unique copywriting AI platform by the name of Anyword. So if you're just starting out with copywriting, or if you are finding the chore of actually trying to do a load of work, trying to re-edit words and different types of copy for advertisements, blogs and so forth, and you're finding that it's too time consuming, this could be a platform that can actually help you simplify the process. So make sure to keep watching until the end of the video, and we are going to go through the platform in detail, and we're going to go over the pricing structure of the platform, and we will be taking a look inside of the members area to show you how simple it is to create very professional looking ad copy for whatever purpose you may have, whether that is creating written ads or even for the likes of blog posts or any type of written content for your business. So if you have a background in writing, or more to the point copywriting, and you find at times that it can be quite a chore to try and think of good copy for whatever content it is that you're trying to create, whether that is for the likes of ad copy or like written types of copy for the likes of your blog posts and that. Sometimes it can actually take a long time to figure out exactly what to write, and then when you actually have got to the point of writing something, putting it all together can be quite a chore and it can take a long time. The whole process of Anyword is to eliminate the time element from the actual process itself by generating content for you based off specific criteria and keywords, so that you can speed up your process of whatever written content you're looking to create, where the system will pretty much do it for you. So just to give you an example of this, on the homepage of Anyword, it gives you like an example generator of, to give you an idea of what will actually happen with the platform when you actually go into adding keywords and so forth. So when you click on likes of the demo here, as you can see, it gives you like a product name or title. It auto generates a description, and you can use a specific keyword that you can add into the content. So you can click on generate, and the demo is going to give you a representation of some of the ad copy that will actually show up. But not only that, inside of the platform, what it will do is as well is it will give you a unique graph or graphic or ranking system to actually let you know how good or how bad the written copy is going to be, and how useful it will be for content that you're creating, whether you are creating ad related content or for blogs or unique kind of posts. But even with this ranking system, it gives you a clear indication as to specific demographics, and also if it will actually rank in Google, which is actually a unique feature. The whole process of creating ad copy can be done in only a number of clicks, so it can completely remove a lot of the time constraints that you would actually have for creating or taking a lot of time to create professional written ad copy. So if you come over to the pricing section, you can see the different criteria in terms of the pricing structures that you will actually have depending on which version of the platform you want to sign up for. If you sign up for the starter kit, you can actually try the platform for free, and you will gain access to a 7-day free trial, and after that it goes up to $19 per month. And with this version you get access to a lot of this criteria, where you can have up to a maximum of 15,000 words per month, and you also have access to create ad copy for like advertisements on the likes of Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, LinkedIn and other known platforms, even YouTube itself. But if you decide to opt into any of the other paid tiers that are quite expensive, they will allow you to have more variations and also unlock more features and so forth, and will lift a lot of the limits that you would have on the starter program. It is quite expensive in terms of the pricing, but considering what it actually does and how useful of a platform it actually can be, it can actually take away a lot of the time that it would take for you to write specific phrases or copy or so forth. So the money that you would pay pretty much does justify the simplicity of how it will actually make your work life a lot easier. So once you've actually signed up inside the members area, as you can see, you will get access to a 7-day free trial, and within this free trial you have access to a total amount of 5,000 words just to actually get you started. So you will only have access to this amount, and then you won't be able to pretty much use it unless you upgrade. So you can go through the process of going through some of the helpful tutorials and guides that will actually get you started on the platform. So you can go through the entire process of setting up your profile as such to give the program a better idea of the type of content that you're actually going to be looking to create. So here inside of the dashboard, you will be given access to set up a new project. So you can give the project an actual project name or title. You can select the topic that the computer AI will generate content for you. And what you can also do is you can set up a landing page and enter in the URL of that page, so that once people click on the likes of the ad copy, it will actually take them directly to that page. So we're quickly just going to give the project a name, and we're going to use a URL for a landing page. So what I'm going to quickly do is just copy the URL from my channel and just going to paste it into this section here. So as you can see, what it's going to do is it actually will find the details from your channel, like my channel name, Hidden Online Living on YouTube. And then what it does is it finds all the related topics and keywords that I create content around on my channel, so that it'll give the program a better idea of the type of ad copy that you will be creating once you create projects. So when you're ready to go, you just click on create project. It will take a few moments to render everything, so you will just have to be patient while it goes through this process. So as you can see, once you go into the actual tools area of the dashboard, you can see that you have access to a load of custom features. And again, you do have access for the likes of creating the types of content for, like I mentioned, Facebook, Instagram, even for Google, and different types of social media platforms that you can focus on to create written content or copy for the likes of advertisements that will be specific to those social media platforms. The cool thing even with this platform, you have unique tools here that you can create, and each of these modes emphasize the type of copy that will be generated for you. Whether you want it to be creative, you can create like lists, you can set it up through different types of marketing specific frameworks and so forth. You can even add in your own copy as well. If you've written your own content, you can create custom examples, you can even incorporate keywords, and if you have any promotional codes, like if you have any discounts that you're wanting to run on your ads, you can add the code in here as well, and it will add it into the copy. So as you can see here, once the content actually has been generated from when the project actually loaded up, you can see here that it has generated a lot of unique copy. And it's actually very professionally written. So what you can also do is, once you highlight a specific version of the copy that you like the look of, you can actually look for more versions that are similar to it. You can go through some of the processes here. You can actually save the copy if you want to save it for later, and you can also copy it to a clipboard so that you can actually add it into your ad. If you're creating, like say, a Google ad, or if you're creating a post on Facebook or Instagram, you can literally copy the text using this copy to clipboard button here, and then it's just literally a case of copying and pasting it then onto your unique post. And again, like I mentioned, it also gives you like a specific ranking score as well that shows you the specific demographics and even ranking factors of the content, of whether it's actually going to rank in search engines or not, which is actually a really cool feature. So you can actually have a look at these type of other tools that are within the platform, and if you want, you can actually test them out. So again, we're just going to go over a quick example. So we're just going to click on creative, and I'm just going to type in something that's quite simple. So you can add in your keyword, and then you just click on generate to generate the type of content, and again it will give you different variations of the content as well. So as you can see, that each version of the content that it presents to you is actually different, and the one thing that I actually really like about it is that it actually works really quickly. You're not actually waiting too long, you're literally waiting really a couple of seconds for it to generate different snippets of content. And as you can see, you can scroll down, it actually creates a lot more, again using all the various keywords and description focused keywords as well that we mentioned when we started the project. So as you can see here, it actually has a lot of them. So it does create content specific to each of the criteria that you actually enter into it. So you can even create lists as well if you want to create a specific list. So you just click on the list button and you click on generate, and you see how simple it actually is for the platform to create a specific list. And not only that, it uses specific emoji type elements as well on it too, so you don't have to actually go looking on like different types of websites to copy and paste emoji style images. It actually will do it for you. It auto generates a lot of the content, so that's actually a really cool feature. And again, it's very fast and effective. Now, if whether or not they'll actually work using on your ads and so forth, forth. It totally is up to you. Again, it's like everything else. The content here actually does look very professional and very well laid out. It really depends on your own preferences. You still may have to go in and tweak a few things, but the one thing that this platform seems to do really well, from having played around with it, is that it generates the content very, very quickly and effectively, because there's nothing worse than when you actually want to start writing, say, a blog post, or you're wanting to write some sort of copy for, say, an advertisement on a Facebook post or Instagram post, and it's like looking at a blank page and you're left there trying to think of something, and you could spend ages actually trying to figure something out of what to actually write to get started with. But with this platform here and utilising the tools inside, it literally takes the hassle out of it for you. You literally just add in a couple of keywords and a couple of descriptive words into the platform, and literally it's just a case of clicking a few buttons and it generates the rest for you. And it is very simple to copy and paste them into your content or your ads, like I mentioned. So you literally can just copy into a clipboard and then you can paste it into, like, say, a Facebook post or whatever. You can still go in and tweak it, you still have the ability to do so, but the very fact that it actually generates the content for you in a very quick and effective manner is definitely a step up, and it will reduce a lot of your time and it will actually make you more productive. So this is actually a really cool feature, and it's definitely a step up compared to other tools that I've actually seen. So this is definitely something that I think will actually help, especially if you have a background in copywriting, or that is your preferred preference in terms of your career and so forth. If you want something to give you a bit of a helping hand to help speed up your work process, this may be a really good tool for you. Even if you're a business and you're looking for ideas, or you're looking for very quick and effective ways to generate ad copy so that you can help run ads and promote your businesses and so forth, or promote products, offers or services, this here will actually help you to really speed up the process. Also with the likes of doing likes of marketing, like even with myself doing likes of YouTube, creating likes of video descriptions, ads, even like creating like blogs, blog posts, if you're doing like affiliate marketing blogs, or if you're doing blogs even on likes of reviewing likes of physical equipment like cameras or any type of stuff, even from say Amazon pages and that, even doing likes of e-commerce, the ad copy that you can generate from these type of platforms, especially this one here, will actually be very, very effective and will actually really be beneficial to you, being able to actually allow you to hopefully get more eyes on your content, because again, the emphasis on the content that's created is all based around the keywords and specific parameters that you actually give it when you're trying to generate the content. So it will definitely help you take a step in the right direction. So you can definitely use a lot of these features like I mentioned. You can definitely use this to actually help you create all that type of copy for the likes of all those mediums that I mentioned. So this here will definitely help you to speed up your process, and again, everything is very well thought out and very professional. I have to say, I'm actually impressed with the platform, so I definitely think it is worth checking out. Even if you're like myself, if you're an affiliate marketer, and even if you're doing like email marketing, and like say even doing blog posts or different types of content ideas, something like this here will definitely help you in the right direction and actually help you speed up your process, because you won't have to sit around really thinking of what to write for the likes of your emails and so forth. You can literally use content from the likes of a platform like this here to actually really help speed up your process as well, even with email marketing. So it will be an important tool to have in your tool set to actually help you grow your online business. So if you're interested in actually having a look at Anyword and you're into copywriting and you want a way to actually speed up your process, I'll leave a link down to Anyword down in the description so that you can actually go and check it out. Also, if you are looking to build an online business through affiliate marketing, and if you're using likes of written content and you want to create ad copy and so forth to actually help you with running promotions and actually helping you to promote your online business through affiliate marketing, I actually have something for you. Check out the link below in the description to a useful step-by-step training program that actually teaches you all the processes of how to actually get started with affiliate marketing, and you can use tools like this here to actually give you a step up in the right direction to really grow your business and see results online. So again, make sure to check out the links below. So if you have found this review to be helpful and you'd like to see more type reviews on platforms like this that will teach you other ways of how useful tools like this are to actually help you really grow and scale your online business to the next level, then make sure to leave a like on the video and be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to be updated whenever future videos are released. And also be sure to check out some of the other videos here on screen where I do provide other helpful guides, tips and reviews of other similar products that will help you to scale your business up to the next level. And as always, I will see you in the next one.